look after what they call the town
body part on A-Rod. Ooh.
Cover. What was the most challenging woman you ever played?
Oh, I should say.
No, no, we're not going there, Meryl.
Thank you, thank you.
Why are there so many pictures of Jennifer Lawrence showing the middle finger? 'Cause I'm an asshole. I drank for 8 hours.
Well, it doesn't look it.
Thanks.
But everyone's done incredibly this year. I'm like looking around like, holy everyone is so amazing. I'm not allowed to say that. I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. You're
I'm so
Ariana
sorry.
Grande. We got you. We got
I've been
you.
here 2 seconds. I up.
I
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I do want a mic drop.
Well, I actually patterned my look after what they call the town tramp in my hometown when I was a little girl. This woman that used to walk the streets had all this makeup and hair, high heel shoes, and I thought she was so beautiful. And everybody used to say, "Oh, she ain't nothing but trash." And I used to say, "Well, that's what I'm gonna be when I grow up, trash." And that's kind of how I look.
We're in the mood. So don't just stand there. Let's get to it. Strike a pose. There's nothing to it. Hey.
What is your favorite body part on A-Rod? Ooh, yeah, that's tough too. What could you not do without? What?
I'm gonna say, I love his arms.
Okay.
Stop.
All right.
Don't.
All right. What's your worst habit?
What's your favorite?
Oh, my part of A-Rod? I love his penis.
Can you show me a hidden talent?